California Thunderbird with a stunning color combination. It has this red interior that really pops against the gunmetal gray. It's got both tops. It has a porthole top. It has a canvas convertible top, power seats, power windows. Motor's beautiful. It has the engine dress-up kit. But right here is the best part. This is a tilt column, and it's a stock steering wheel, but it's actually made smaller. This car is actually easy to get in and out of. That's the biggest problem with these Thunderbirds. Half the times we can't sell them because a person can't fit in it. This is awesome. I cannot believe this is the first one I've ever seen like this. That's not even tilted up. Oh yeah, it is. It's super easy to get in and out of, easy to drive. They put power rack and pinion steering, and it has power disc brakes under there. So this is a Thunderbird you can drive comfortably. Upgraded stereo, seat belts, radial tires, it's ready. Oh my God, this car drove so nice. Beautiful day, I just want to keep on going. Really, this thing was smooth and so easy and comfortable. Very impressed.